Look, I'm going to be brutally honest with you. I've noticed a lot of you saying you're tired of these 3-hour long how to create a website tutorials that teach you the history of the internet before showing you how to actually build a website. Okay, they're not that bad. But do you really need to understand how headers work in order to launch a website? Of course not. And this video is a proof of that. So let's get your website up and public without growing old. Now we're going with Hostinger simply because it's the most affordable no-code website builder that doesn't suck, and they bundle domain and hosting together so you don't have to mess around with DNS settings like it's 2005. So scan the QR code on the screen or click the discount link in the description to get to Hostinger with the best deal automatically applied, and then just buy a plan. And then create your account, use any real email to avoid any delays or misunderstandings, enable two-factor authentication because getting hacked on day one would be embarrassing, set a password that's not password123, or better yet, use a reliable password manager like NordPass to create and store truly strong passwords. All right, there's no need to go into too much detail about how to claim a free domain. It's really simple. Pick your domain name and register it. Pro tip, if your first choice is taken, add a the or use the auto-generated suggestions. I recommend going with .com, but honestly, in today's world, no one cares about extensions. It's all about the brand. Done. All right, then we can start crafting our website, but surprise, with Hostinger, most of these tasks are just going to be done for us. Let me explain. Go straight to the best website builder for beginners. Hostinger's AI website builder now is a powerhouse for any small to medium project. Tell it what your site's about, then pick up from the templates it generates. I mean, don't overthink this, right? You can change everything later. If the AI is not working out as you want, you can go back and pick from regular yet very modern looking templates. Now that's it. You basically have a fully functional website. But you probably want to customize it with your content. So how do you do it? Replace the placeholder text with your actual content. If you're having trouble coming up with anything, just use Hostinger's AI text generator to instantly get something SEO friendly. So swap out the stock photos with your own images, or at least different stock photos that fit your vibe, since a free image gallery is already integrated inside the builder. All right, the next step in how to make a website is search engine optimization. It sounds scary, but it's not. So for SEO, focus on the basics: page titles, descriptions, and headers. The builder makes this easy. Just fill in the fields. Then jump to the AI SEO tool and go through the setup. It's very simple. Pick keywords, and that's sort of it, right? Change the colors if you hate them. Pick a different font if Comic Sans somehow made it through. But remember, done is better than perfect. And I mean, you can always customize later on. It's not like it's going to get locked. So preview your site on mobile. It probably looks fine, but if something's wonky, the builder has mobile editing tools. Fix the obvious stuff: text that's too small, buttons that are too close together. And if you're having problems coming up with a mobile design, see this tool? Click it and the section will automatically fix itself. This might not always work, but for me, it fixed 98% of all sections. Hit publish, and congratulations, you have a website. I mean, see, did you need to learn 20 different terms and understand how the web is built to have something like that? No. So you're welcome. Now, since you're already here, connect to Google Analytics. Okay, the builder is going to walk you through it. Also, check out Cody and other AI tools Hostinger offers. They can help with content creation and optimization. Now, don't overlook Cody. Really, it is the smartest AI assistant that I have yet experienced. So who knows? It may even become your new best friend. And really, there you have it. Your website is live. It's not going to win design awards. Probably it's not optimized for every possible scenario yet, but your website looks professional, is fast, effective, and viable on the internet. Again, discount links in the description if you still don't have Hostinger. Now, if you want to dive deeper on how to create a website or website builder tutorial for other builders, I have detailed videos about advanced features, custom design, and all that other good stuff. To find them, you can simply visit the channel. And while you're there, subscribe. A like on the video also doesn't hurt if you know what I'm saying. I'm just saying, please like the video. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so enough for today. Your site is live. Go tell somebody about it, and I'll see you next time in a new video. Okay, bye.